How many strands of lights you gonna put on this tree, Jeff?
Maybe 100.
100?
Yeah.
Remember, Nance, when we were putting these lights on, that other tree, and Jeff was at the very top, and we heard the branch break. Remember? Remember that year? He was at the very top, and you're like, "Oh, Jeff, don't fall, Jeff! Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and Mr. Bob's giving us a turkey." So 100 strands on this tree?
Yep. I can put all the branches.
That's a lot of lights.
Yeah.
That's a lot of lights, Mr. Jeff.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna check back with you here in a little bit. Okay. How many hours do you think you take to do this tree? 3?
Yeah, 3 hours. Maybe.
3 hours?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna look nice. Hey, Miss Nance. How are you? What's going on there, Mr. Jeff?
Well,
Getting started on this roof line?
yeah.
So you got C7s,
Yeah, C7 LED.
LED,
Yeah.
warm white?
Yeah.
Good deal. What are you doing up there, buddy? Holding them? Holding them tight?
Yeah.
Nancy said don't let them fall off the roof. She don't want to have to come up here and do that. That's not nice. It's not nice, Jeff. Where's Nancy come up with all this? And then, Jeff, I talked to the homeowner, and he said it's okay. We cut these down today and clean them up. Yeah, we cut them down. Nothing over here, obviously.
Okay.
This stays, just these.
Okay, only the brown.
Just only the brown. We'll go ahead and cut them and clean them up.
Okay.
And Graydon's bringing you over the other lamps we need.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll go up here and stop. Nothing on the fireplace, and then we'll continue on the gutter and go around the back. And then I got some ideas. I was talking to the homeowner, his wife, about the shrubs in the back.
Okay.
Well, we have some, when you were working on the project earlier this week, I believe we had some candy cane and some multi-minis. And I was talking to them about adding those into the backyard.
Okay.
Okay? But I'm gonna run and then I'll be back.
Okay.
This is gonna really look nice. Mr. Bird.
How's it going?
Good, sir. How you? Bringing more product, dropping product off all over the county?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All day.
All day, sir. I'm gonna run, but I'll catch you in a little bit.
Sounds good.
All right, we're back at this project in Crownsville. How we making out, Jeff?
Good.
Miss Nance, how we doing? Hey, Jeff, when you get a chance, you come down and we can go over to Minnie's
Okay.
on the backyard and the side yard when you get a chance.
Okay.
So we got Jeff tied off up there so he can't come off that roof, which is safe. To be safe, get safety first. Can't have anybody coming off a roof. So he's tied off on the back. He's guiding him here with his rope. We're going to end up, Jeff, around 525 feet.
Yeah.
Time you get all the peaks in, get all of them cut in. Yeah, it's going to look nice. Jeff, how we doing here? You got all the roof done?
Yeah, after the roof is finish everything. I can put almost 600 light bulb C7.
600 you got on this home?
Yeah.
The guy should be happy then. What color is this here, Nance?
It's blue and white.
Blue and white.
Blue and white?
Yeah.
No turkeys in the tree. No turkeys. You got to watch this, Jeff. You see a couple hanging turkeys in there for Thanksgiving.
This color is American flag.
These installers are very crazy. Huh?
This is blue, red, and white.
Blue, red, and white.
Yep.
So it's like the American flag.
Yep.
Red, white, and blue, baby. Red, white, and blue, baby. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue.
That one is red LED.
Red LED.
Yep.
You got clear.
Clear LED.
Okay. And you got something else you told you wanted ordered for this. What did you want? Green?
Green and C7 and red.
And red?
Yeah.
You can do like red berries?
Yeah, very.
Red okay, then you're going to have them in there so it'll look like a holly at nighttime.
Yep.
Okay. And you got clears on the side over here?
Yeah.
That's a lot of C7s, Miss Nance. You guys worked all day on this. Your whole team, right? 4 of you all day. It's a lot of work. A lot of peaks.
Yeah.
A lot of ridges.
The peak is really tall.
Huh?
The peak is tall there.
Yeah. Really looks good.
Yeah.
Looks nice. Gonna look nice at night.
Yeah.
I'll have to get by here one night, tell the homeowner I'm coming by, and get some video.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That's good. Yeah.
I think that'll work. Think it'll work?
Complete. Some work inside right there.
Oh yeah, that was the one. Yeah, I remember coming here Saturday and you're working on this big tree.
Yeah.
That's all red and green, right?
Yeah.
Correct? Okay. So you got this tree behind me to do, and that tree to do out there, because the lights are on back order.
Yeah.
Okay, then we'll have this done and ready to fire up on Thanksgiving. 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Okay. All right. All right. Good work, guys. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.